Hi Fawaz,
Hi,
how are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. Tell us, can we pick your brain about Bootup?
Yes, of course, for sure. Yes.
So, how does a typical Monday looks to you?
Monday is as usual with a lot of planning, a lot of work, a lot of hope, a lot of opportunities, but it's hectic.
Wow. So tell us about Bootup.
Bootup is a platform which makes everybody accessible for your education with great verified experts.
Can I get a French lesson on Bootup?
Of course, why not? But not just French. Any subject that you want, any preference, any choice, whatever the new language you want to learn, you got it there.
Right. What time can I have that French lesson?
One of the greatest features we have enabled for you is to make sure you study at your own preference. Right? So you choose the time which you want to study with the expert.
Right. Where did it all start?
This all started, there's a lot of story, a lot of passion behind it, but in a very simple element to create a mutual opportunity for educators and learners in one simple platform to be verified and to have a great impact. Let's go up there.
Sure. Oh wait. So my sister was searching for a math lesson. Do you think Bootup will help her?
Of course, but not just maths, any academic, any curriculum, most of the enabled curriculum and different subjects, science, maths, history, English, literature even, you can get it there.
Wow.
Hey, looks like someone is on ADAP Studio. Hey!
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good, Thomas. How are you?
I'm good. What are you up to?
So we are doing a public speaking session for Bootup.
Wow, did you just hear that? We do soft skill training as well. Just keep up doing the great impact.
Thank you, Thomas.
Yeah, lovely.
So Fawaz, who is teaching at Bootup?
Bootup, we have verified teachers who also are the subject matter expert and who have got the qualification right for you, for them to teach on what they are supposed to teach. Not just that, they are well trained from Bootup and Curva for them to have a wonderful, well planned online session and which is engaging.
That's cool. Can I teach too?
Of course you can. There will be a vetting and an application process. On top of it, you will be given a customized training to be a perfect digital trainer.
Okay, that's a lot of work. So how do you unwind after a long weekend?
Me as a person, I love new challenges, new projects, or probably any work would keep me exciting and unwinding actually. But however, over the weekend, I kind of reflect on myself, what I have done and what I could do better. That's probably what I do unwinding.
Okay, so tell us, where will Bootup be in a few years?
So Bootup as a platform in the future will enable for all of your educational requirement, not just expert. There'll be much more because in the future education changes and the requirements will change. So there we will have Bootup to cater your on-demand education requirements.
That's cool. What's the next exciting thing at Bootup?
So Bootup has got it covered for you an upcoming learning festival with series of different experts, with series of different topics for you to engage and enhance your knowledge on it. And all those information are down in the description and on the website and also on the social media.
Okay, Fawaz, that's it. Thank you so much.
Lovely conversation. Thank you.